And after Nagaland, here comes Punjab. Punjab's tableau pays a solemn tribute to the 350th year of martyrdom of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji, the 9th Sikh Guru, revered as Hind Di Chadar, the protector of human conscience, faith and freedom.
राखा प्रभुता का तिलक जंजू, राखा प्रभुता का कीनो बडो कलू में साका साधन है